Started. Access points or APs, also known as wireless access points or WAPs, are networking devices that allow wireless devices such as laptops, tabs, or mobile phones to connect to a wired network, which includes devices such as servers or printers or for the connectivity to the internet. Devices connected to the AP form a network called as WLANs, also known as wireless local area networks. WAP is one of the key components of WLAN architecture. The wireless access points serve as the interconnection between the WLAN and the fixed wired network. An access point acts as a central transmitter and receiver of wireless radio signals. Access points work at the data link layer, that is the layer 2 of the OSI model.